guys, it's day 2. We're transferring our luggage from the All-Star to the Animal Kingdom and headed to Universal. We're gonna fill up our coffee mugs. They're on our way. Coffee mugs, because I'm from Jersey. Let's go.
Where we're going.
You excited for Universal?
Yes.
Yeah? What are you most excited to see today?
I don't know.
All the Harry Potter stuff?
Patrick stuff.
Show your glasses. Let's see your glasses.
So these
Put
are
'em
the
on.
Luna glasses that Luna Lovegood wears in the movies.
Right? Ooh, very cute. All right, we are off. Going into the Forbidden Journey. Got my wand fixed at Ollivander's, no problem. They just took it and fixed it. Now we're doing some spells. Madison picked out her wand and she got Peter Pettigrew. It's really a cool wand. Show you guys.
Is that us?
Really cool. It's like a big snake. Is it working?
Wait, I don't know where I'm supposed to point it. Like, maybe right here? Like,
There it goes. It just went.
okay. Alright, wait your turn, bud. Yeah, wait your turn.
Good. Oh, sorry. Okay.
So it's like
And more.
It's such a punishment to be away from
I know.
Oh.
I need you to look at me and tell me how many noggles I have. And you can be honest with me, I can take it.
Let's have it then.
Let's see. I need you to put those goggles down.
Put your goggles. Madison, put your goggles down.
How's the noggle situation?
You have to be straight.
Who has more noggles? Me
Be
or,
honest.
Me or him?
I knew it. I knew I was riddled with noggles.
He's a noggle magnet.
What's this place called?
Weasley's Wizard Wheezes.
You're gonna get the ear? It doesn't want to talk to you?
It doesn't work.
Oh, you look absolutely brilliant.
Oh, thank you. Sorry, Madison.
Okay, wait. Everybody get out of the seat except for Matt.
It talks.
Very odd robes.
It's off. Yeah.
Just make sure. We have one here.
First reaction to butterbeer on TikTok.
You're gonna TikTok your butterbeer?
We're making this TikTok.
Yep. I got it right.
How do you do it?
Cute.
Okay, so
It's crazy. We're in Nocturne Alley. Woo! Just had lunch at the Leaky Cauldron. And you could do some spells in here. There's something over here too, right? go into Borgin and Burke's, right? I need to get something Slytherin. Yeah. Vanishing cabinet. You want to go look at it? Go in, Madison, see what happens.
I can't. It doesn't work like that.
Yeah. Yeah. Something's in there. Is it supposed to be Mad Eye Moody when they locked him in the trunk? It looks so realistic. It is creepy. They have interesting animals in here.
500 years ago.
His name was Beetle the Bard, and he had to have been those luxuriant beards.
Samuel, I hardly think that they care about his spirit. With him gladly departing this life as
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Watch out, guys. Your hair's stuck in me. 6, 2, 4,
No, it says it.
4,
No.
2. Guys, so we just got to the Animal Kingdom Lodge. It's so amazing here. I will be sharing a room tour. If you haven't seen it already, it will be coming, but I am just like loving this. Look at how big this place is. It's amazing. And we had a really great day at Universal. It was kind of hard to film because we're traveling with other people, and also it was ridiculously crowded there. I kept my mask on probably 90% of the time because despite the heat, I just was not comfortable in crowds like that. But we got to do the whole Wizarding World, and Madison got a wand and she was able to participate in all of the spells, and we had lunch at the Three Broomsticks or the Leaky Cauldron. I can't even remember now. We were at both. We were having a hard time finding food today because they didn't start serving lunch until after 10:30, and getting breakfast was like almost impossible. So trying to eat was a little bit difficult, and I think we're gonna do it a little bit differently tomorrow. But it was so much fun, and we got to do and see so much. So it was really everything I hoped the day would be. But now we're waiting for our luggage because we still have a bunch of wet clothing that we need to dry. I'm like anxiously awaiting to get that done. And I think now we're going to head to the pool and get something to eat because everyone's hungry. We haven't eaten since like late morning. So that's what we're up to, but it was a really great day. I got fries and just like a basic turkey sandwich. And I got the zebra domes, which I've been dying to try. They look really good. And refilled my drink, and I got a beer. And that is tonight's dinner. Madison is having a cheeseburger for the first time in like 100 years. How is it? Again, the kids' stuff is marked with allergy. They're doing a really great job with the allergy stuff, so that's been really good. They move so gracefully, right? There's the okapi. Is that how you say it?
Yeah, O-K-A-P-I. Go.
Yeah, that's his little feeder there. Oh, look, he's eating. There's more of them.
This hotel is so cool.
It is really cool. Especially with the storm rolling through. I feel like this is the place to be with the storm coming. Okay guys, so that's gonna do it for tonight. I actually got myself a beer from the Mara and I put it in my cup, and I'm just sitting out here watching the storm, watching the animals, and life is good. So I will see you guys in the morning.